Hey guys, your friend Ademi Oluwaseun is here. So today we are going to, I want to walk you through how you can make use of one of our ATM, Naira ATM in one of our banks in Nigeria to, make a transaction to make some profit on Advcash and Binance. And as you can see, we have 45,507 and 57 cents, as you can see it on the screen, right? So now on this platform, we are going to start. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to support me to grow this channel. All right. So we want to reach 5,000 subscribers before the end of this year. And I've been appreciating you guys for watching my video and also giving me support, because if not you, I cannot be doing this. If I'm doing it and you are not watching it, and also appreciating by subscribing, I might not. It is possible that I will have been stopped making videos like this, but you are giving me go ahead. I really thank you. But if you have not still watching video, but you are not subscribed yet, or maybe you have just stumbled on my video today, please, I want you to give this video a thumb up and also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting updates every time that I drop a valuable content like this. All right, so now let's get started. So the card is with me and you already seen what we have on our card. All right, so now what I do is just to go to click on deposit fund. So I get on deposit fund, so I'm going to change it from USD to euro. Okay, so I'm going to change it from USDT to euro. Then I'm going to click on spend right here. Okay, so then here I'm going to click put 82, that is 82 euro, right? 82 euro. So if you do not know anything about Advcash before, Advcash is a place where you can fund deposit with your ATM Naira ATM card. Use it once you fund to Advcash. You can actually use the fund there to buy crypto anywhere on Binance, all right, and then resell it to make a profit. That is only what we want to do here. So, but if you do not have a Advcash account before, just go to the description section below. The first link that you're going to see there, you see, just click on this link and register. Once you register, make sure that you verify the account. As you can see that this account has been verified, as you can see it right here. So after that, then you can now make use of it's a UBA card. Okay, it's UBA card. As you can know that from what I showed you before, that is a UBA bank that I showed to you. So then now click on MasterCard right here, and you must go through all this and make sure that you follow everything. Don't use virtual card. Make sure that you do not use third party card. Make sure that you use your own card. Then the card must be issued in your country, that is Nigeria. And if you are watching in Ghana, make sure that, or another country, make sure that the card was issued in your country. Then it's not physical damaged, because if you are using that card for the first time, they will ask you to snap it and send it to them before they credit you. All right, then so now if I'm depositing 82 euro right here, so at the end of the day, I'll be getting 79. You can see I'll be getting 79.13, right? So then I'm going to click on continue. So here I have to block this place to, I have to block this place to enter my card details for security purpose. Okay. So I'm entering the card details. I'm entering the card details. Then I click on this and I click on pay. All right, so it's loading now. So I'm expecting code from, I'm using OTP, SMS, then continue. So I'm expecting the code. All right, I just get I received the message now from the bank, so I have to enter the code. Then submit. So it's loading. So let's see what is going to happen. So as you can see that the fund has been successfully, deposited on the platform, right? So let me just refresh so that you see what we have here. Remember, yes, we have a 79.13, right? 79.13. So as you can see, the money has been credited on a euro site right here, right? So it has been credited to me. So now let us see what the bank debited from what we have on it before. I did not get alert from UBA. Then I'm trying to log into their internet banking. It's not going through. Let me try to log into it on PC. Been trying to, I think their websites and their app have issues. Don't know. I don't know. I think their website have issues. It's not, as you can see, it's not going through. So then let me continue what I'm doing. So now the next thing you're going to do after you have been successfully funded, then you have to go to Binance. So you go to Binance. When you get to Binance, let me show you two things right here. Okay, let me show you two things right here. If you want to use this to buy USDT right here, let me just come to buy crypto. Let me check via Binance. USDT. I see the price of USDT here. So I want to buy this, so that's the 79.32. So how much are we going to be credited? 87. Yeah, this is where I'm going, because if you buy here now, we are going to get it directly in our Binance. Okay, it means we are going to get it directly in our Binance. If you credit Binance directly, but if you buy it via wallet, it will be credited here, so we have to send it again to another, and there will be a little charges about that. So then you can see that if you are buying directly here, is more it will be more profitable than this. So then what we are now going to do is just to go to Binance. After the fund has been successfully deposited right here, then the next thing is just to log on to your Binance account. When you log on to your Binance account, you just come to the wallet right here, then you click on Fiat. You click on Fiat and deposit. Okay, so click on Fiat and sports deposit. So then it's loading. It's loading, because if you buy USDT from here, right from here, it is not profitable like as when you are buying on this platform directly. Okay, so then what you want to do is just to click on deposit. Yeah, so once you click on deposit, then you want to click on deposit fiat. You want to click on deposit fiat. So you have to choose euro. So we want to choose euro, then and see Advcash. So you can see Advcash right here, and this you can see, as you can see, 0 fee. Okay, so just click on it. Once you click on it, just click on continue right here. So when you click on continue, then how much do you have? 79.32. 79.32. That is what we have here, and that is the exact amount that you are going to be credited here. So then click on confirm. So then the next thing, you can see that it's loading right now. So ask me to log in. Ask you to log in, then it asks you to continue, then confirm. Okay, send me an email, so I have to go and check the email. So this is the email that they sent to me, at least to confirm. Okay, so I click on confirm. Alright, it can see it has been. So once I click on some, you can see it has been successful. They ask me to go back to the browser right here, so to click on confirm, so that the payment will now be entered. So you can see continue. Alright, so as you can see, the deposit has been, is also now go back to buy crypto here. So if you click on buy crypto, you see cash balance. So you see cash balance, click on it. Once you click on cash balance, so you want to buy, you can see the amount that we deposited the other time. So then what you're going to do is just to choose USDT, click USDT, then 79.32. So as you can see, continue, then agree. So it's processing. So it has been done. Now I have to go to the wallet. That is 88 points. We just bought 88 points. Because I have some USDT, 2 USDT here before. The next thing you're going to do is just to go to transfer. So from here to funding, then you have to choose USDT. Then 88.80, yeah, I remember 88.80. So confirm. All right, so then the next thing you're going to do now is just to come back to buy crypto right here. Then you click on P2P. So when you click on P2P, then the next thing you're gonna do is to look for, so go to sell. So you want to sell back to Naira now, then you choose Naira NGN, then you choose a bank transfer. Let me just choose only show merchant stuff, because of those guys that are saying they are trailing or not trailing. So then I want to choose 40,000. I want to search for those who are selling at the range of 40,000 and upward. So this, I can say to this guy, sell 88.80. So you can see this is 88. So we got 88.80, right? So now I have some USDT on this place before. So 88.80. So we're going to sell it at 50,201. All right. So let me just click on sell USDT. Now, from what I showed before, we cannot even see how much this bank charges, because we are unable to log in. So we're expecting this guy to make the payment. So let me just try UBA again. If their platform will go through, I'm checking the app I'm checking the web. I don't know what happened to them. At least to see how much they really charged, because we have 45,500 naira. We have 45,500 naira main capital before. So I really want to see how much they charged. I want to see how much they charged for 82 euro. I want to see how much they charged from 45,500 naira. If it is over 45,500 naira, so we know. If it is just 45,000 something, we will know. But let's just assume that, okay, they will charge the whole 45,500 naira, and we are going to sell here at 50,000 naira. So that is over 4,500 naira. But I'm sure that it might not up to that 45,500 naira there. All right. So we are waiting for this guy. Let me just pause it to this guy send to us. Right, so the buyer has made the payment. I just confirm it inside the app now, because when the buyer said he has made the payment, make sure that you check it very well. Make sure that you see your balance. Don't just say because he said he has made the payment, you just go and release the crypto to the buyer. Okay, so now let me release it. Make sure that you confirm it very well. Okay, make sure that you confirm the payment very well before you release the coin. And because if you release the coin, so we just completed the transaction now. As you can see, I can also after this video now, I cannot record it again, so I will stop the video here, but I'm still going to do more, because most of the banks, as you know, most of them are now increasing their monthly limit to $200. Okay, they're now increasing it to $200. So just ask me, because two card works with this system. So just ask me in the comment section below, and I will tell you the card that is working. So if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you'll be getting more updates from this channel. Thank you very much. I remain yours. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.